Yo, what's up guys? So today we're going to be installing a blow-off valve onto my Focus ST. So it's honestly supposed to be super easy to install, probably take about 10-15 minutes, but honestly with my luck it's probably going to take like fucking 2 hours. That's what happens every time. Super easy though. The bypass valve is actually located behind the axle in here, so I just gotta jack the car up, remove the wheel. Okay, so this is what we are going to be installing today. If you guys like how the turnout is, I'll leave a link down below for you guys to go ahead and purchase one yourselves if you're interested. Okay, and excuse the mess in my trunk. Are you really a skateboarder if you don't have extra shoes, shirts, and skateboard in your trunk? But every Focus ST should have oh, if I can get it in there. I'm filming on my phone. A jack that you could use already. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use that because I don't have a low pro jack. Okay, and if you're using this stupid jack like I am, you're gonna wanna jack it up in that spot. But make sure you invest in a low pro jack because then you're gonna be doing this shit manually like I am. Okay, so if you're not an idiot like me, you can just use a, I don't know what this is called, a ratchet. It'll make your life a whole lot easier. Look at this, look at this. Look how much faster I'm jacking up the car now. Okay, I don't know what it is about these wheels, but they are stupid heavy. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna reach in here, and that's what we're gonna be removing right there. So it just has those 3 bolts. I'm not sure what Allen key that is, but we're gonna figure it out real quick. All right, so it looks like the Allen bolts are gonna be about 3/16, and you just get some needle nose pliers and take that vacuum line off and you should be good to go. Okay, so it is a bit of a tight space, so it's gonna be really difficult, but I got the first bolt out and I just got 2 more to go. All right, stock bypass is out. All right, so this thing is literally just plug and play. So whenever you're done putting the bolts back in, you got on the bracket, just go ahead and get your needle nose pliers, put the vacuum line back on, and you should be good to go. All right, so now that we got it back on, let's actually test it and make sure everything's working properly. Sound gear. No Ford key detected. Hang on. Rookie move. Eee! I don't know. I didn't get too much of a difference. Maybe we gotta drive and see. So I'm test driving the car right now. Sorry, I don't have a GoPro or anything, but woohoo! Dude, it sounds so good. Yee! Fucking look at this. Yes, sir. I'm actually about to go flip a U-turn right now so I can go back home. Yeah, actually before I end the video, I'm gonna try to get some drive-by clips for you guys so you guys can hear what it sounds like from the outside. All right, guys. And that's it for today's video. If you guys want to see more Ford Focus ST content, more car content in general, let me know. Leave a like, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.